Thank you for buying this 11713 wall mount literature rack greeting card display from Fixture Displays. This is a perfect rack to display 4x6 greeting cards or trifold 4x9 literature. This one features 6 staggering pockets and can load a fair amount of information as well as greeting card in those pockets. The pockets are 4.5 inches wide, and a card that is shorter than 6 inches would have a hard time to fitting in. However, you could purchase our clear pockets to make that work if your product is shorter than usual. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please consider leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.